Hey guys, here we are in the UK, another sunny hot day, not a cloud in the sky, and I've got the Traxxas Rustler VXL. Look at this thing, the colours on it. I've got a GoPro on the top, stock 3S lipo. Just check out the wheels on this. Oh boy, let's go and have some fun in the dirt. Whoa! I'll try to give this thing full throttle for you guys, just to show you how crazy fast it is. That's a quarter. That's half. That's full throttle. Ooh! Now, where did that go? It came over this way somewhere. Oh, I think I can see it just over here. Let's have a little look and see what damage we caused from that crazy little jump there. It seems okay. From what I can see, it looks absolutely fine. Oh, ouch! That's full throttle! Oh my god! Oh, damn! Whoa! Now that must have been some sort of an impact. Look at the glass on the GoPro lens there. And okay, it's just the housing, but look at that. Damn! I think it might be time to take the GoPro off of here after we've cracked the lens and we've also cracked the screen on the GoPro Hero 4.
Whoa, nearly.
Okay guys, that was the Traxxas Rustler VXL on 3S lipo here in the dirt. I had a whale of a time blasting this thing around for you today. I had about 30 minutes worth of run time, and as you can see, it is not slow. You have plenty of get up and go, dust was going everywhere. I loved it, good fun. Thanks for watching guys, as always, I'll see you next time. Take care for now, bye bye.